All right, all right. We are back. We are back. The other one didn't work out. The video had the microphone. It wasn't plugged in, and then I tried to plug it in the middle of recording. It just didn't work out. Sorry, guys, if I ring out your eardrums. Make sure. Oh, I'm sure to turn my ringer off. I turn the ringer off to vibrate. Well, turn the ringer off in case my mom tries to call me later. Now, what time is it? If she's still awake, she'll call my phone. Hey, did you want to come by and get the Polish sausage? I got the Polish sausage. Did you want the sausage? No, I'm all right. That's thanks for the last one. I'll pass. Vegan. I'm vegan, Mom. Come on, stop it. Stop tempting me. Turning me into making go backslide into meat, backsliding into meat. So well, we're rocking and rolling. So I figured I'd just take the time out instead of going over the exotics like I was going to do, like I wanted to do. I'm gonna have to talk about signals. Look, it's December 7th now. Let's see where we started. Oh my gosh, and this isn't even where we started. I had the group and then I created a channel back in October. So this is after we already been doing this for a month. Some of you here will remember. None of this financial advice. You gotta put the disclaimer in there. It's a new channel. They're like, oh, what is this? Oh, it's got a channel now. Oh, the name was changed. Oh, I started out with a different name. And then we just start rocking. We just start rocking right away. I mean, this was I was putting these up on what's that? My FX book. Oh yeah, reversal zone. See, then I would determine. Yeah, I would like watch it, find a reversal zone. Hit just right. It was right in there. Kissed it. Boom. I mean, went all the way to profit. I think it went past it. It's like up here or something like that. And we're doing the same. Imagine. Now, think about this. I'm doing the same. I'm not doing anything different. Okay. I'm not doing anything different. This is just. I'm doing the same patterns over and over and over and over and over again. Now, timing it, kind of getting exactly precisely where it turns, and I keep a tight stop loss. So I want to be on it when it goes like jump right on top of market order. When it heads up, at the time it's headed up. I just tight stop. I just don't want to be. I'm not going to be holding it all the way down to. I just don't like the drawdowns too much. Unless I've taken a number of trades. Now, if I've taken 15 trades. Draw down 10,000, there's nothing. 15 trade, maybe 10, maybe 8, okay, or something like that. I've gone down. You guys have seen me. You see me go down as much as I was like $20,000 or something. It was something crazy. And then I came right back and I made like 40, and then it was like another 40. It was just insane. It's just insane. But I enjoy it. I mean, this is something I really love to do. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep doing it. I'm keep going. This is what I'm gonna be doing. Whether there's, a bunch of people here or whether there's no one here. I mean, whether it's one person. Hey, it's me and little buddy. We'll just be millionaires on our way to be billionaires. I mean, I'm not changing the strategy. I mean, if I could tweak something, about this, I would tweak the drawdown. That's what I would do. I mean, just tweak the drawdown. I mean, but it's like, yeah, I mean, drawdowns can hurt your profits. I'm not going to say it doesn't, but it's just that my risk reward is just so high. I don't know. Does anyone get into a trade and not have drawdown? I mean, I'd like to see if I can kind of, maybe in the future, maybe I'll have instead of having a 5% draw, like a 5 to 10% drawdown, maybe I'll have if I ever get good and have maybe 2.5. I mean, that would be stellar, wouldn't it? But I don't need to be that good. You don't either. You don't need it. All of these hit. All of these. Head fake, zigzag, and stay in. Okay. I was trying to tell people to stay in. Nobody wants to stay in. Stay in. Like, oh, I'm getting scared. I don't know. Is it gonna really go all the way? How do you know? I understand you're used to, you're used to the crap signals. I mean, I get it. I mean, I used to trade all that. I remember I used to trade signals myself. Here's, excellent trader, knows what he's doing. Strongly recommended. Oh man, yeah, Kim. So that's yeah, she's man, yeah, she's got a lot of ambition. So I think that I mean, just you know what? Matter of fact, I'm not gonna show every one of these. It would take me like a video would be forever. Look, 10 grand, okay, 10,000. The short, okay, got out at close to this. I didn't touch this yet. This is actually still quite active. Gold doesn't really move as fast as I want it to sometimes, so I don't really trade it that often. But I put it out there. Somebody talked about gold. I said, all right, you want to see me do a gold one? I'll be right back. I made like 15,000 or 16,000. I made 16,000 on a gold trade. Euro GBP. Man, these amounts, I don't even remember, man. I just got in and clicked the button and 75 pips. This is the smallest. God, I'm embarrassed of this one. Hit the stop. It hit the, God, I must have been half asleep. It hit the target. It was just 75 pips. I mean, that's embarrassing. Trade 75 pips, man. Who does that? I must have been, I don't know if I was, must have been on the weed or something. I must have been something. I had to be something. I mean, some of these things, yeah, I'm high. Shit. Let's see. Short D1. Oh, and then I started doing more of the D1s. And then this is what I love. I love when you have a pattern that's looking to come down. I think this is coming down, but well, and it comes down or goes up off of a harmonic. I mean, it's just like, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. That's when you really get the corner. That's how you really corner the trade. Seriously. When, like, let's say, I'm trying to think when it was. Oh, I was just trading this. I think I was just trading this. Yeah. It was like 75 pips. Yeah, from here to here. Instead of going 75, it went like 200 and went 200 pips. It was crazy. Something like that. All right, so then you got the Euro USD, the short. I'm about to ban JPY. It's just I like ones that kind of tend to have a tendency to go straight to the target, not like so zigzagging so much. And then waiting forever, like for 400 pips. Like, come on, man. So there's some that you don't see me select, and it's for a reason. So they'll come and ask me and say, hey, could you see this chart? You see that chart? Dude, there's a reason why I'm not at a chart right now. Okay, do you want me to give you a half-ass signal? Okay, thank you. So your NZD, I mean, these hit. All of these hit. Every last one of these hit. Oh yeah, and then I started grabbing a little bit more. And I trade different accounts. This is my other account. I usually don't trade from this one, but I mean, I kind of just let it sit there in a way. All right, USD CHF. Yes, I remember that one. This was still a sell. Oh yes, this is a repost of the same one. It sat there forever. Oh, it went a little bit higher, and then I had to redo it. That's right. That's what happened. Had to redo it. That stop was actually changed to 1875. So no, 77 or 75, something like that. Once the strategy course, please do not share my material with others. And then we went into this video. Yeah, like I gotta start posting some of these, talking specifically about a specific pair. Let's see. So let's talk about it. Boom, boom, boom. You can't make these kinds of profits giving out shitty signals. And this one hit. You can't. That's why when I put an alert out, I don't watch it. I don't worry about it. I don't lose sleep. Let's see. And all right, so here's where we are. I went to 205 and then I dropped and I lost like 10,000. I was like, you know what? Forget that. I had dropped to like, I think it was like 189. And then I came up to 195 and I said, you know what? I'm hitting the gas pedal. I said, I'm not going to hold back. I'm not going to hold back. So I'm not holding back anymore. So I start grabbing. Basically, this the leverage I'm getting. I mean, it's great. So I can just put boom, 10, 10, 10, 10. I can just kill it, man. I can just kill it. You know, trading at levels like these will blow up your account. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm doing this because I've mastered the RSAI strategy. I've gotten to that point where, you know, I don't lose sleep. I can put, 30 lots into something and just and sleep like a baby. Okay. And look, I was in this for like, it was like baby change. It was like a tiny bit, like this is one lot. It was like a point, like 0.1 lot or some fun little, like a small whatever. It went 160 pips. I said, wait a minute, why am I not really in this? I said, because I thought maybe I was a little like kind of over leveraged. So, but then I said, you know what? Come on, go ahead. I'm going all out, man. And I just got in, went in with the full lot size. Let's see. Oh, and this one, and I got back in the USDCNH. I had sometimes my stop loss is like too tight, and it hit my stop loss. It didn't mean the trade was going down. It's just, it was just volatility. And as you can see, it was like what, $100. It was like $100 or something. Now it's like $8, $7, -7. So it came back up like 10 pips or something like that. It was just a spike down. I mean, I wasn't too worried about it. I saw that it already turned, but I know this is going to be a long hold. This trade right here is probably going to be like 2-3 weeks hold. I'm ready. This is what it is. I'm not in like such a rush to, you're going to make money. I mean, some of you guys, I know that you're used to the trades that are, I guess the traders or the teachers that have you all juiced up, that got you moving fast. They have you, hold on, maybe I can take this off. So they got you juiced up. You know what I mean? You're all ready to go, and it's crazy. I mean, I'm like, you gotta slow down, calm down. And don't worry, we will get to this. You're gonna make money. You're in the right place, okay? You're in the right place. There's 23 pips. Art NZD. I'm just going like to the ones I'm in. 108 pips. 108 pips. You got a possible, this connects, that ends up forming, it's gonna be ABCD, and I get out. It's gonna confirm and I'll get out. I'll get out and then catch it here again and then go back up. Trade it the rest of the way. No, not that one, idiot. Okay, and this one. So I'm 272 pips. Oh man, 272 pips. I almost lost the mic there. I'm like moving around in my chair. 272 pips. It hit. Look at this. Look at this. Do you understand what's going on here? I mean, you just because you joined the group doesn't mean you're going to have this kind of confidence. Look at this. Like, I can't even get, it's like, what is that, like a half a pip? Or something like 1 pip? This was our target. Look at this. It's like it's right on it. Boom, and then goes back down. Like right on top of that. And goes back down. Right? I had gotten out of it. I took my, you know what I mean? I don't worry about necessarily going from end to end, like just the meat of the trade. Like you get in here, okay, and you see how I did this? Just because it comes up this way and goes down doesn't mean that the trend is down. You have to realize that this is just a lot of this is head faking. It's head faking. And the way you see through that, follow the target I give you. Okay, it goes left, it goes right, it goes left, it goes right. So what? It's going to end up out the door. I keep telling you, he's headed toward the door. Like, there's a guy who's headed toward the door. Just because he changes chairs and he's dancing around doesn't mean he's not headed toward the door. They said, oh, he's not going to. This is what I'm saying about the price. It doesn't mean the price is not going there. It's just going through its motion. Okay? I wouldn't be here. Look at this. All right, let's look at, you see this, right? Up, down, no, right? Let me move down to the 15. M15. A lot of guys are just in love with it. I don't know why. And let's bring it into the same time frame going sideways. It's going forever. Okay. Then you come in here. Look at this. Look. Do you think I'm worried about this little thing? This area here on a 4-hour time frame? On a 1-hour time frame? On a 2? Do you think I care about the little, you know, I'm worried about who's winning the fight. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. I just see a line going down. I just see this. I'm like, oh, it's going down. But you're looking at all the little, every little speck of every move. I just don't see how it's going to be possible for you to be successful as a trader. I don't see it. I don't see it. You're going to drive yourself totally nuts. Completely nuts. Looking at every little spick and spackle of a trade. Dude, go do something. Put in your trade. Go to sleep. Play a video game. Drive your dream car. I don't know. Bang your girl. Do something different other than watching the screen every second of the day. If you have to watch your screen every second of the day, biting your nails, sweating, wondering how far you're just gonna hit your stop loss, find another career, because the trading is not for you. It isn't. You're trying to do something you're not built for. All right, I didn't mean to turn this into a rant. Okay, 272 pips. This one's negative 22. Did I get in it? What did I get in it? I bought it. What's going on with this thing? It need to be smacked. Let me see. Oh, see, this is the one I got in after a 167 pip move. Oh yeah, I ain't worried about that. I was about to hit the stop. I'm gonna just stop, man. Let's stop out the way, man. Get out of here, bro. Why is this only going? Is this? Oh, it's a 4-hour time frame. Let's see. It hasn't. Oh, it's got a. Oh, how come I only have the target here? Wait, that's. I must not have adjusted this. Hold on. Man. Get real. All right, stop playing. You gotta stop playing. Anyway. So had me thinking. I'm like, hold up. Forgot that this is the one that was. Look, it got in up here with right. No, right here. See that blue line? Got in. All right. So, and this has another. It has another. And come back and save the video or something. Save what I say. See if I'm right. Go into, go into your little cocoon time machine. Come out in 2022 and see if I was right. Okay, moving on. If you do the work, okay? If you do the work, you'll do fine. If you're willing to study, if you're willing to, hang on every word I'm saying, you're going to do fine. All right, so USD CAD. 174 pips. It's the same move. This is the same move as GBP. We just left AUD. It's the same move. It's got another what? We just 174 pips in. Okay, these are the only trades I took yesterday. These are the only trades I took. That 43,000. That's the trades I've been sitting on since yesterday. I could be out. I could do anything. I could be out racing my car. I could be out. I could be playing some video games, driving some of my RC stuff, hanging out with my friends, sleeping, watching Netflix. Any activity. Go down to the golf course. It's not that far from my house. I can walk over there if I wanted to. So, find something else to do. Trading is supposed to, let me tell you, look at this. I'm going to type the words right here. I'm going to type it so that you can understand it. Big, bold, block letters. Big, bold, block letters. And this is what I'm going to say. Trading is supposed to make you free, not enslave you. All right? Remember that. So this is my goal. This is the goal of Konnect One. I work hard so you don't have to. So you can go and have a life. Let me worry about this. Let me worry about my reputation. Let me worry about my company. Let me worry about my ego. Okay? You go have fun. All right. That's it. I'm done.